let us learn plant breeding program. Because in the previous session we learned the animal breeding program. Let us see how plant breeding is carried out. It's actually conventional method, traditional method, but very effective method. Plant breeding is carried out. The breeding program is carried out so that the hybrid what we get in future generation, they bear or they carry the good quality of both the parents. You can find increase in the yield, resistant to diseases. So like this, there are n number of desired qualities we can find in hybrid, and for that purpose we should go for plant breeding program. So how to do this, or what are the steps in plant breeding program? Generally there are 5 steps. There are 5 steps in plant breeding program. Let us study these steps one by one. The first step is collection of variability. Collection of variability. Now, what is collection of variability? See, when we think of a plant or a crop, particular species, there are n number of varieties. First, we should gather all those varieties because each variety has its own significance. It has its own advantages and disadvantages. So, first step is to gather all those. There is a collection of variability. For example, if you go for, plant breeding program for paddy, then all the varieties of paddy with good quality should be grown in a place. That is called as collection of variability. It is also called as germplasm collection. It's also called as germplasm collection. This is the first step. What is that? Collection of variability. We'll move on to second step. What we have to do now? The second step is like this. Evaluation and selection of parents. Evaluation and selection of parents. Evaluation and selection of parents. What is this? Now what the variety we have gathered, the full collection. From that, we have to select parents. And what should be the quality of the parent? We should go for all good quality, so that whether the parent is high yielding, whether it is of disease resistant, whether it is resistant to drought or less water condition, whether it is a resistance to insects or the pest. Like this, we see the good quality, and that is what we call evaluation. We go for evaluation. We just evaluate, and from that we collect the best one, or we select the best one. That's why the name evaluation and selection of parents. So we have selected from that group, from that collection. Now what should be the third step? What we have to do in the third step? Now you should go for crossing of that. So the third point is cross hybridization among selected parents. Yes, we have selected 2 parents. Now we have to cross them. How to cross? We have learnt it in the topic under sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Artificial hybridization. That is, pollen grains from the required plant is collected and it is dusted on the stigma of another plant, flower of the another plant. In order to avoid contamination, we cover it with the bag, that is called as bagging. So that all we learnt. So we should go for this. Okay. So cross hybridization among selected parent. Let us see what happens in the 4th step. So these are the 3 steps: collection of variability, evaluation and selection of parents, cross hybridization among selected parents. Now the fourth step is selection and testing of superior recombinants. Selection and testing of superior recombinants. What are recombinants? The hybrids. After crossing those best quality of parent, we get hybrid, that is recombinant. But when we cross, all the recombinant will not get the desired quality in them. So within them, we'll have to select the best one. That is selection and testing of superior recombinant. What is superior recombinant? Recombinant with all the good qualities called superior recombinant. And then the fifth step, that is testing, release, and commercialization of new cultivars. Last step it is testing, release, and commercialization of new cultivars. Now the new cultivars means new recombinant what you got. We have to test it. Okay, we have tested it in lab condition. Now we have to test it in field condition. That too under different condition, like in different season, rainy season, summer season, winter season, and we should check the pattern of their growth, whether it is suitable for all season or it is restricted to particular season. Point number one. Second one, in different climatic condition, in different weather condition, whether they grow properly in coastal area or in hilly area or in some other area. So like this we have to test it, and after testing, after getting the correct record of that, correct data of that, correct result of that, we are going to release and commercialization means we are going to give it to the farmers so that farmers they can grow it. So these are the 5 important steps that have to be followed in plant breeding program. I repeat the step one by one. Point number 1, collection of variability. Point number 2, evaluation and selection of parents. Point number 3, cross hybridization among selected parents. Fourth one, selection and testing of superior recombinant. And the last one, testing, release, and commercialization of new cultivars. Thank you, students.